So a few gifts have come like every year. So this is the first one. This photo is from Genie or Juju, and when I saw this, honestly, I couldn't stop smiling because I don't look like this anymore, and I trust I've lost some weight. So thank you. I don't know who sent this. Okay, so whoever has sent this to me, please DM me so I know कि ये किसने भेजा है. Thank you. This brings back a lot of Genie or Juju memories for me. Thank you. Shweta Thakur. Oh, hi Shweta. Thank you. This is a wallet. Okay. Thank you for the wallet. Love. Okay. And books. Everyone has a story. So I think reading books is something that I've started. I had stopped in between. And I think reading books is something that all of us should do. It really helps in a lot of ways. So I'm looking forward to reading this one. Thank you, Shweta. Everyone has a story too. Okay, so the same author ka, she sent me both of them. So thank you. And this is a greeting card. Okay, the fragrance of flowers, the radiance of sunshine, and the warmth of forgetfulness. Happy birthday! Thank you so much, Shweta. Thank you. And this is also from Shweta. Okay. So she, oh my god. So this is a self-made thing. Shweta, thank you. This is pretty. And she's put Gopi Bahu ka image inside with a ghungat. And okay, this is from Seshri Patnayak. Jia Manik fandom, thank you so much. So she's written me a nice letter. And जो भी मैंने शोज किए सारे मेरे लुक्स के फोटोग्राफ्स हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. एंड शी इज़ रिटन अ मैसेज फॉर मी एंड आई विल रीड इट by myself. Thank you because I understand it's a little personal. कुछ चीज़ें आपने अपने बारे में लिखी है which probably I didn't think I should say on the camera, but I'll read it. And there's something more also she's written for me behind here, so I'll read all of it. Thank you so much. Seshri Patnayak. Thank you. Okay. This is Shweta?
Yeah.
Okay. Shweta. Oh, okay. Thank you, Shweta. So pretty. Tiny earrings. Thank you. Jia ji. Respect. Okay, there's a letter. Okay, I thought as much अक्षय. ये इसको देख के ही जो आपने जिया जी लिखा है ना, वो पढ़ के मुझे लगा कि ये अक्षय है from Bangalore. Thank you, Akshay. You never fail to write to me, or you never fail to send something for my birthday. Thank you so much, and thank you for your kind wishes. Thank you so much, and it was lovely meeting you when I came to Bangalore. तो अक्षय और मैं हम गुरुद्वारा में मिले थे बैंगलोर में. सो ओके, सो दिस इज Oh, diary. I love diaries. I love writing. So, diaries एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो मैं खरीदती रहती हूँ because मैं बहुत ज़्यादा लिखती हूँ. So, this is something that's really helpful for me, especially when I'm traveling. So, this is a nice diary case, and it also has my name written on this. And I like this one also. Cute. Thank you, Akshay. Thank you so much. And there's something more. Okay, so Akshay, chalo, I'll make some travel plan, to use this. This is a baggage tag, again with my name written on it. And he's used my favorite color, red. Thank you. And this is a passport holder. Thank you so much, Akshay. I love this one. Yeah. This is also from Akshay. Okay, this is from Shakil and Praneet. Happy birthday, my dear Genie. Thank you, Shakil and Praneet. Thank you so much. ये आपने क्या भेजा है? Okay, I think it's a bracelet, if I'm not wrong. Okay, I think it matches with my dress. I'm going out today, so I will wear it. This hand. Thank you so much. Pretty bracelet. And lastly, this is from, ये किससे है? अंकिता सरकार। अंकिता से भी मैं मुंबई में मिली हूँ। So Ankita, I hope you're doing well and I hope your mother is doing well. I remember meeting your mother also. Do open it. So cute. So this is a memory of Ankita and me when we met in Mumbai. I hope you're doing well, Ankita, and you're studying well. Oh, these are all the pictures of our meet and greet. I hope this year brings you immense success, happiness, prosperity, and you get what you wish for. Thank you so much, Ankita. I wish the same for you. And this brings back a lot of memories. Thank you. Okay, Imas. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is okay. I'll use this. You see it in my Insta stories sometime soon when I'm traveling. I hope I travel soon. I've been missing sitting in the flight. Today is the perfect day to be happy. I think this is something that we must wake up and tell ourselves every day, because it is in our hands to keep ourselves happy irrespective of what the external situations are. So thank you. This is quite a motivational thing for me. Thank you. ये क्या है? Mirror. Okay, तो ये मैं अपने, when I'm carrying a bigger purse, I can carry this and I can use this for applying lipstick. Thank you, Ankita. I love this color also besides red. So इन्होंने सोच समझ के मुझे कलर्स भेजे हैं, रेड एंड पर्पल. Okay, so there's one more thing she's written. Okay. In between we heard. Okay. So okay, I would like to say this, that in between actors के बारे में बहुत सारे rumors आते हैं, and fans kind of sometimes get worked up. एंड बहुत सारे फैंस ने मुझे मैसेज किया था, क्या ये है, क्या वो है. तो मैं अपने फैंस को बोलना चाहूँगी कि इतना वर्कअप मत होइए. जो भी है, एट द राइट टाइम आई विल टॉक अबाउट इट. एंड लॉट ऑफ रूमर्स कम इन एंड इट डजंट मेक सेंस दैट यू सिट एंड जस्टिफाई एवरी रूमर, बिकॉज 99% ऑफ देम आर नॉट ट्रू. एंड जो मैं कर रही हूँ वो आपको पता चलेगा, बिकॉज एनी वेज देर इज़ नो पॉसिबिलिटी दैट आई विल हाइड इट. सो डोंट वरी एंड जस्ट रिलैक्स एंड ट्रस्ट मी, वॉट एवर आई चूज़ टू डू, आई विल कीप यू ऑल इन माइंड कि आपको भी वो पसंद आए. अकॉर्डिंगली मैं अपना प्रोजेक्ट चूज़ करूँगी. थैंक यू फॉर ऑल द गिफ्ट्स. एंड लाइक आई से एवरी ईयर के सेव द मनी एंड कीप इट फॉर योर सेल्फ. डू समथिंग फॉर योर सेल्फ और यूज़ द मनी फॉर अ बेटर पर्पज़. Because with God's grace, we all are doing well and we can buy these things. But of course I know कि आपने बहुत प्यार से भेजा है ये, and it is your love in all the gifts that you've sent. So I receive it wholeheartedly. Thank you. Hi, my name is Jia Manek and you're watching me on Glitz Vision USA.